Hi, I'm taking a look at the San Diego Continuing Education website because I want to know how I can take an office skills class here. So there are different subject areas up here at the top, and I want to take a job training program that gives me a certificate. So let's look under certificate programs. The first listing, Accounting Business Information Worker, is where I can take an office skills class. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here I see Accounting Business Information Worker, and I can sign up for an orientation here. But first, I want to scroll down and see what other information I can get. So here it tells me the examples of jobs that I might be able to get after the training program. I could work as an office clerk or an office assistant, maybe in accounting or tax preparation. And it looks like I could earn $14.65 an hour. I'm going to go down a little bit further. The first module I see is Business Information Worker Module 1. This is where most students begin their office skills training, and that's what I'm going to do. 171 hours, that sounds like a lot, but it's just 9.5 hours a week for 18 weeks, which is a usual semester length. Let's see, there are entry-level office skills that I would learn: keyboarding, word processing, and electronic information management. Here's the full description. Learn keyboarding, word processing to help create reports and compose letters, and electronic information management to send and manage email and schedule meetings. Prepare students for entry-level jobs in office settings, retail shops, and/or as customer service representatives, receptionists, and information clerks. That sounds fine with me. Students complete various classes in self-paced labs. Self-paced means I can work as fast or as slowly as I need to. And labs are classrooms where students are working independently on their own projects, but there's an instructor, at least one, available to teach me and guide me along the way. I want to see what are the next steps. Okay, Accounting Business Information Worker Orientation. It says that the front desk office assistant, account clerk, and administrative assistant certificates are offered at various campuses, and they require mandatory orientation. So mandatory, I have to do it, I guess. Orientation is like a class to tell me general information. Maybe that's where I get to register. So we are required to do a mandatory orientation prior to enrollment. So that's before I register. Okay, I'd like to do this at the Mid-City campus. And here I'm looking at some days and times that are open. I'm not going to be able to come to an orientation in July, but this one, Tuesday, August 21st, that looks good to me. Okay, the orientation starts at 9 a.m. and there are 15 slots left, or 15 spaces left. What I need to do is put in my email address, first name, last name, phone number, and a birth date, and then I'll sign up. But first, I think I'll take a picture of this part so I don't forget the date and time and campus. Looks like I'm going to be starting my office skills training soon.